Millions of Japanese car owners are completely clueless about the hidden features sitting right inside their vehicles. But here is the shocking part. One feature alone can save you from a $3,000 mistake, and most likely, you are driving around every single day ignoring tools that could prevent serious damage to your car and your wallet. Here are 18 mind-blowing secrets built into Japanese cars that you absolutely need to know about right now. Do not skip ahead. This will protect your money. Let us begin. Secret number 18. Wiper service mode. You are about to pull into a car wash, or you are parking outside overnight with an ice storm rolling in. Those wiper blades sitting flat against your windshield are about to get destroyed. But here is what almost nobody knows. Japanese cars are built with a hidden wiper service position that lifts the blades safely away from the glass before anything bad can happen. Most modern Japanese vehicles have a maintenance mode that props your wiper blades straight up, protecting them from freezing to the glass or getting beaten up inside an automatic car wash. On many of these cars, you simply turn off the engine, then within 10 seconds, push the wiper stalk down to the single wipe position. The wipers rise to a vertical service position and stay right there. This feature exists because frozen wiper blades that are stuck to your windshield can burn out the wiper motor the moment you try to turn them on. That is a $200 to $400 repair that nobody wants to deal with. And here is the bonus. When you are changing blades, this position gives you perfect access without struggling or accidentally scratching your windshield. Secret number 17. Seatbelt energy management loop. Ever notice that weird little loop of extra stitched fabric near the buckle of your seatbelt? Most people assume it is a manufacturing leftover or just poor design. But Japanese car engineers put that loop there on purpose, and it could literally save your life. That stitched loop is called an energy management system. It is designed to tear apart in a controlled way during a severe crash. When your body gets thrown forward with tremendous force, that loop rips at a calculated rate, allowing the belt to extend just slightly so it can absorb energy that would otherwise slam into your chest and ribs. Without that loop, the seatbelt would stop your body so abruptly that the belt itself could cause serious internal injuries. Here is what makes it even more important to understand. This is a single-use safety device. Once it tears in a crash, the entire seatbelt assembly needs to be replaced, even if the belt looks perfectly fine from the outside. That is why good mechanics always replace seatbelts after any accident where the airbag's deployed. Brilliant engineering hiding right in plain sight. Secret number 16. Hidden battery saver mode. You left your headlights on. The interior dome light is still glowing. You come back expecting a dead battery. But here is what most people miss. Many Japanese cars have an automatic battery protection system that shuts everything down before the battery drains completely. After you turn off the ignition and remove your key, a timer starts counting down. Most vehicles give you anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes of accessory power for things like interior lights, the radio, and power windows. Once that timer runs out, the car cuts power automatically to prevent further drain. This matters more than people realize. A fully drained battery does not just leave you stranded, it actually damages the battery cells and shortens the overall lifespan. Some Japanese luxury models take this even further with a smart system that monitors battery voltage in real time. If charge drops below a certain point, the car shuts off non-essential features one by one to preserve enough power for you to start the engine the next morning. You might lose heated seats and the radio, but you will still make it to work. Secret number 15. Interior auto lock trick. You ever walk away from your car and immediately wonder if you actually locked it? Here is a trick that eliminates that panic entirely, and you never even have to touch your key fob. On most modern Japanese cars, press and hold the lock button on your driver door for about 3 seconds before you exit. This activates a delayed security mode. When you close the door and walk away, the car locks itself automatically. On some models, it will even roll up any open windows and fold in the side mirrors. This is perfect for those moments when your hands are full with groceries, a baby, coffee, or your phone. Many Japanese cars will also give you a confirmation honk or flash the exterior lights so you know everything is locked up properly, You stop having to walk back 3 times because you are not sure. Secret number 14. Washer nozzle adjustment with a pin. Your windshield washer fluid is spraying too high and missing the glass completely, or it is aimed too low and just hitting your hood. Most drivers think this needs a mechanic to sort out. It does not. You can adjust those nozzles yourself in about 10 seconds using nothing but a sewing needle, safety pin, or a paper clip. Look at the washer nozzles on your hood and you will see a small round opening where the fluid shoots out. Insert the pin gently into that opening and angle it up, down, left, or right until the spray lands exactly where you want it. On Japanese cars with dual nozzles on each side, you can fine-tune each one individually for complete windshield coverage. Even vehicles with heated washer nozzles work the same way. No mechanic visit, no cost, just a pin and 2 minutes. Secret number 13. Hidden trunk grocery hooks. You just picked up takeout and that bag of food is already tipping sideways in your trunk. But here is what most Japanese car owners never notice. There are hooks built right into the trunk or cargo area, specifically there to hold bags upright so nothing spills. Look along the sides of your trunk near the rear seats or along the cargo floor. You will find small hooks, loops, or retractable hangers that fold out when you need them. These hooks can hold multiple grocery bags, takeout containers, or shopping bags without any problem. Many Japanese SUVs and hatchbacks take this further with hooks that are adjustable or slide along a rail system, so you can position them exactly where you need based on what you are carrying. And they are not just for groceries. Use them for gym bags, toolboxes, or dry cleaning that you do not want wrinkled. Secret number 12. Tire pressure alert while filling. Nobody enjoys the tire pressure guessing game, but certain Japanese vehicles take all the uncertainty out of it by telling you exactly when to stop. Park your car, leave the ignition on without running the engine, and start adding air. The hazard lights will begin flashing to let you know the system is monitoring your tire pressure in real time. When your tire reaches the manufacturer-recommended PSI, your car will honk the horn. That is your signal to stop. Studies show that close to 90% of drivers run their tires either under or overinflated, which kills fuel economy and chews through tires faster. Here is the extra detail that makes this even better. If you keep pumping and accidentally overinflate, the car honks again and flashes the hazard lights faster to warn you to release some air. Some Japanese models even show real-time PSI numbers on the dashboard display for each tire as you fill it. Before we get to the really good ones, take a second and hit the like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps us keep digging for content like this. Now let us get into something that could save you a mechanic visit entirely. Secret number 11. Battery reset ignition trick. Your check engine light is on. The radio settings keep resetting. The windows are acting strange. Here is what most people do not know. You can reset your Japanese car's entire computer system without unplugging the battery or paying anyone a single dollar. Turn your key to the accessory position without starting the engine. Hold it there for exactly 30 seconds. Then turn it all the way off and remove the key. Wait a moment, then start your car normally. What just happened is your car's ECU, the electronic control unit, performed a soft reset and cleared temporary error codes. This can fix sticky throttle response, weird transmission shifts, unresponsive power windows, or check engine lights triggered by temporary sensor glitches. Mechanics charge $50 to $100 just to run a diagnostic scan and clear those codes. You just did the same thing for free in under 2 minutes. Secret number 10. Emergency manual fuel door release. Picture this. Your battery is completely dead. Your fuel door is electronically controlled. You are sitting at a gas station on empty with no way to open the fuel door and no way to refuel your car. Japanese cars have a manual emergency release cable hiding inside the vehicle for exactly this situation. Check your trunk or the rear interior panel on the same side as your fuel door. You will usually find a small pull cable, release lever, or emergency tab that manually pops the fuel door open even when the electronics are completely dead. This feature became necessary after too many drivers found themselves stranded in exactly that catch-22 situation. The whole process takes less than 20 seconds once you know where everything is. Your owner's manual mentions it somewhere in the maintenance section. Find it before you ever need it. Secret number 9. Air vent debris. Ejection system. Open your hood and look at the base of your windshield near the wiper assembly. You will see small vents or grills that most people assume are just decorative. They are not. These vents are engineered to push water, leaves, and debris out of areas where they would otherwise cause serious damage. As air moves through those grills while you drive, it creates pressure that forces water and debris back out through small drainage channels underneath. When those vents get clogged, water starts pooling in places it should not. That leads to rust, moldy smells inside your cabin, clogged AC drains, and even electrical problems from water getting where it does not belong. The good news is you can maintain this yourself in about 5 minutes. Remove any visible leaves or debris from the vent openings, and use a can of compressed air or a shop vac to clear out the channels underneath. Check them today, especially going into fall and winter. Secret number 8, seatbelt height adjustment. Your seatbelt is cutting into your neck every single drive, or it keeps sliding off your shoulder. Here is a feature on Japanese cars that fixes this instantly, and that most people walk right past every day. That plastic slider on the door pillar where your seatbelt comes out is fully adjustable. Press the button on that slider, and you can move the entire seatbelt anchor point up or down the pillar to match your height perfectly. Shorter drivers should move it down so the belt crosses the chest properly. Taller drivers need it higher to stop the belt from pressing on the neck. A seatbelt positioned too high will cut across your throat in a crash and cause serious injuries. One positioned too low will slide off your shoulder and make the belt nearly useless in an accident. Some Japanese vehicles even have memory settings that automatically adjust the seatbelt anchor, along with your seat and mirrors when you select your driver profile. 30 seconds today, and every drive is more comfortable and safer. Secret number 7, glove box cooling vent. Pop open your glove box right now and look at the back wall. On many Japanese cars, you will find a small vent that connects directly to the AC system, turning your glove box into a mini refrigerator. This vent pulls cold air from your AC and circulates it through the compartment. Most cars with this feature have a small dial, slider, or adjustable vent door, so you can control how much cold air flows in. Crank it open on a hot summer day, and your glove box keeps water bottles cold, stops chocolate from melting, or maintains a safe temperature for medications like insulin that cannot be left to heat up in a parked car. The crazy part is that most people stuff their glove box with old insurance papers, receipts, and random junk when they could be using it as functional refrigeration all summer long. Clear it out and put it to work. Secret number 6, gas pedal reset for smoother acceleration. Your throttle response feels sluggish. Acceleration is jerky off the line. The engine hesitates the moment you press the gas. Here is something most mechanics will not tell you, because it costs you nothing to fix yourself. Turn your car on without starting the engine, just to the accessory position. Press the gas pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for 10 full seconds. Then turn off the ignition and wait 30 seconds. Start the car normally. Your throttle body just recalibrated itself to factory settings. This reset clears the adaptive learning tables and forces the system to start fresh. Unlike physically cleaning the throttle body, which requires disassembly and chemicals, this is a 2-minute electronic reset that can make your Japanese car feel noticeably more responsive from the very next drive. Secret number 5, replace your cabin air filter yourself. Your AC smells musty. The airflow from your vents is weak. You are sneezing constantly behind the wheel. There is a filter inside your dashboard collecting all of that dust and pollen, and it is almost certainly overdue for a change. The cabin air filter in Japanese cars is almost always behind the glove box or under the dashboard on the passenger side. Pop open the glove box, press the side tabs to release it, and the whole thing swings down to reveal the filter housing. Pull out the old filter, slide in the new one, and you are done. The part costs around $15 online. Mechanics and quick lube shops charge $40 to $60 for the same 5-minute job because most drivers do not know they can do it themselves. A clean cabin air filter improves AC performance, eliminates musty smells, and makes a real difference for anyone with allergies or asthma. Check your owner's manual for the exact location in your specific model. Secret number 4, automatic brake drying in wet weather. You just drove through a deep puddle, or you have been in the rain for an hour straight. Your brakes are soaked. What most drivers do not realize is that wet brakes have significantly reduced stopping power for the first few applications after getting wet. Many Japanese cars solve this automatically before you ever need to think about it. When the car detects wet conditions through rain-sensing wipers or wheel speed sensors, a brake drying feature activates on its own. The system applies a tiny amount of brake pressure intermittently while you drive, just enough friction to create heat that evaporates water from the rotors and pads. This runs in the background the entire time it is raining, pulsing the brakes every few seconds to keep the contact surfaces dry. It works alongside the ABS and traction control systems to optimize your braking performance in all wet conditions, and you never have to think about it at all. Secret number 3, auto hold button for hill starts. You stop on a steep hill, and the moment you lift your foot off the brake to hit the gas, the car starts rolling backward. That split-second panic is something a lot of drivers deal with daily. Japanese cars have a button that eliminates it entirely. The auto hold button, sometimes labeled with a car on a slope icon, or just the letter A with a circle around it, automatically holds your brakes the moment you come to a complete stop. Press it once, usually near the gear shifter or on the center console, and a dashboard light confirms it is active. From that point on, every time you stop, the brakes hold automatically until you press the gas. You will not roll backward into the car behind you at a red light on a hill. And in stop-and-go traffic, your foot gets a break from holding the brake pedal for miles. Find that button in your car and turn it on today. Secret number 2, free remote start without any subscription. Car manufacturers want you to believe that remote start requires a $15 to $25 monthly subscription to their connected services app. They market it heavily because recurring subscription fees are far more profitable than the one-time hardware cost. But here is what they do not advertise. Your key fob for most Japanese cars already has remote start built in. Completely free. Look at your key fob. If it has a circular arrow icon or a button marked 2X, you are already set up. On most vehicles, press lock twice, then press and hold on the third press. Your engine starts from hundreds of feet away. No app, no subscription, no monthly fee required. Check your owner's manual for the exact sequence on your specific model and cancel that subscription today. Secret number 1, auto tilt mirrors when reversing. You are backing into a parking spot and you have absolutely no idea how close your rear tires are to the curb. Your side mirrors are aimed too high to show you anything useful down at wheel level. But your Japanese car almost certainly has a feature that fixes this, and most owners never enable it. When you shift into reverse, your passenger side mirror, and sometimes the driver side mirror too, can automatically tilt downward to show you the curb, parking lines, and obstacles near your rear wheels. This gives you a perfect view of exactly where your tires are sitting, which prevents curb rash and makes parallel parking genuinely easy. Here is how to set it up. Adjust your passenger mirror to where you want it for normal driving. Then shift into reverse and use your mirror controls to tilt that mirror down manually until you can see the curb and your rear tire clearly. The car remembers that position. Every time you shift into reverse from that point forward, the mirror drops to that exact angle automatically. The moment you shift out of reverse, it returns to normal. Replacing a scratched rim or a bent wheel on a Japanese car can run anywhere from $200 to $800, depending on the model. This free adjustment prevents all of that while making you look like a parking expert every single time. Which one of these surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if any of these features saved you from a headache or a repair bill, hit that like button and subscribe, because we have got a lot more Japanese car secrets coming your way. There are even more hidden features and mechanic tricks in our next video. Click it and see what else your car has been hiding from you.